How to earn rewards on Temu. Let's get started. Earning rewards on Temu is a great way to make the most of your shopping experience. So go ahead and launch your Temu app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the rewards section on the Temu website or the app. Here you will find information about the various ways you can earn rewards. Earn rewards points by making purchases on Temu. The more you shop, the more points you accumulate. Check the specific reward rate for each dollar spent. Keep an eye out for special promotions and offers. Temu often runs campaigns where you can earn extra reward points for participating in certain activities, such as spending a certain amount or purchasing specific products. Earn additional points by leaving reviews for products you have purchased. Be honest and detailed in your reviews to help other shoppers. Refer your friends to Temu using your unique referral code. When they sign up and make a purchase, you both earn reward points. Follow Temu on social media platform and participate in contests, giveaways, and other activities. Occasionally, Temu offers reward points for social media engagement. Also, you can join the Temu affiliate program that will provide you high commissions, exclusive selling price, trusted brand. So this is how you can easily earn rewards on Temu. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.